how to create Zebpay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode I'm going to show you how you can create Zebpay account. So in order to create a Zebpay account, first of all you'll have to install the application. So for that you need to open up a Play Store, and then on the search box you'll have to go ahead and type in Zebpay. As soon as you click on it or tap on it, you'll be able to find an option as this. Go ahead and tap on the install button. After you're done installing the application, then you'll begin with the creation of your account. Now, due to some security concern, this interface won't appear, so I'm just gonna use a web browser. So for that, open up a browser, and then on the web address bar type in www.zebpay.com, and that's going to direct you to this interface. Well, first of all, you need to go ahead and tap on the sign up button from the top right hand side corner of your screen. That's going to direct you to the page where you can actually create an account. First of all, provide in your country's code in order to add a phone number. Then you need to go ahead and enter in the phone number and your first name, last name, your email address, the set 4-digit PIN, and you have to confirm it as well. And if you have any referral code or promo, enter in that as well and mark on the terms and condition, and also confirm that you're not a bot and click on the sign up button. On the other interface, it's going to ask you to confirm your or verify your email address. So for that, a verification code will be sent through an email which you have to enter in. As soon as you've done that, that's going to take you to the login field where you have to create a login ID. For that, you just have to create a password and a username. After you've done that, it's going to direct you to the terms and condition. Once again, submit that and you have successfully created your Zebpay account. So in that way, you can create a Zebpay account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.